Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Solve the following. So 8475 multiplied by bracket 500 plus 80 plus this blank we have to find out. Let's say this number is x. So this will give this value. So we can see that if we make 8475 to the right hand side, it will become division sign, because in the left hand side it is coming with the multiplication sign. So 500 plus 80 plus x will give this value. So once we divide this numerator by the denominator 8475, it will give 582. This we have obtained using division. So 500 plus 80 will give 580. So 580 plus x is equal to 582. So from here we can get x as 582 minus 580. So which is equal to 2. Hence we can say that the answer is 2.